We got lower body rolling, with the goal being that we're going to use our lower body to drive rotation through the serial, so we keep the upper body as relaxed and still as possible. It's just kind of dead weight, and we're just letting it roll with the lower body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with right arm and left arm overhead, my left leg from my toes to my left fingertips, or as long as I can. This is going to be my point of access rotation. I'm going to be driving my right leg coming towards you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that upper body as relaxed as I possibly can. I'm going to initiate by driving my knee up towards the ceiling and bringing it across. Again, lower body is the only thing driving the motion. The upper body is as relaxed as I possibly can. Once I'm on my stomach, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to drive my heel towards the ceiling, so I'm going to extend my hip. You're going to feel hamstring and glute. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to reach back and across my body without pushing off my upper body. And then I'm back on my back, okay? When you go across, you'll feel a little bit of abs. You're not gonna have too much muscle activity as far as like sensation goes on that rolling over to your stomach. When you come back though, you're gonna feel a lot of glute, you're gonna feel a lot of hamstring as you go back to your backside.